like a Hellcat.
Ayo, what is up, gang? It's your bro Francis back again with another reaction video. So one of the talented artists from Meghalaya who goes by the name of Banjop has just dropped this amazing music video called Mynsiem, and it is produced by B.A.D and Stunnah Beatz. You know, Stunnah Beatz is one of the top-notch, one of the best beat producer from India. He is known internationally, and at the same time he is the one who produces beat for the rapper Divine, the Gully Boy. And yeah, I'm very much excited and eager to react on this music video. The song is in their local language, but you know what, like I always say, language should not be a barrier for you to enjoy the music. Also, we have the English subtitle. So without further ado, let's just dive in and enjoy the ride and check out what our brother Banjop has for us on the table, what this music video has for us. And yeah, before we totally get into the video, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and be a part of the family. And to all the subscribers, thank you so much for all the love and support you guys have been showing constantly. It truly means a lot. Also, I was in a video with one of the vlogger who goes by the name of Mihu. You guys can go and check out that video too. So let's just jump straight into this music video without any delay. Let's do it. She's pretty. Mynsiem. Wow. Oh, dearest soul of mine. Oh, Banjop is late. The girl is waiting there. By the way, the three most beautiful word in this world is I love you, and the lyrics start with that three words. Amazing.
Kiski kia kia stead ha haba bidon ring kat banya ki floor per night kim lanu jor but jing shy banala Mynsiem jonga ngan yai perta Mynsiem jonga.
Wow, you guys look amazing together, man, for real. And at the same time here, Banjop is, you know, expressing his love for his dear beloved, you know, the affection that he's having, and you know, he's pouring his heart out in this song, for real. Man, I'm loving it. Wow, nice lightings. Oh, cute. Hey.
Kiski kia so blood pa ba become pachi nanga so dongling we're to pay bus I coaching it banala Mynsiem jonga nan yai perta Mynsiem jonga.
By the way, I know that Banjop is a good rapper, but I didn't know that he can sing so well, man. I'm really impressed, and you have an amazing voice, brother. Awesome, guys. And yeah, if you are not subscribed to his channel, if you haven't watched the original music video, the link is in the description. You guys go and check it out and support him, man, for real.
shanya hanga Pikloy banbo Wala cingkerman
True love.
Asaw ba nga kerdo Tang bat pi Bai jonga
Cute.
Tang bat pi Mynsiem jonga Ngan yai per
I love the hook.
Mynsiem jonga Oh
Wow, wow. Man, this was really so amazing. You know, it made me so, romantic. It reminded me of, my non-existing girlfriend for real, man. I really loved it for real. And yeah, man, keep coming more, man. I really loved your voice, Banjop. This was really, it was excellent. Everything was so dope. And the beat is so soothing to the ear. And of course, your voice too. I really loved it. Keep coming more, man. And the videography, the cinematography, everything was so cool, man. By the way, I'm going to add this song in my playlist. I'm gonna listen to it now and then. And yeah, man, thank you, Banjop, and the whole team, B.A.D, the Stunnah Beatz, for making this, amazing music video, for this amazing project that you have done. Awesome, man. I really loved it. And yeah, thank you to each and every one of you who have come to watch this reaction. Hey, man, once again, Northeast for life. Here we go. Ting, ting.